Well, anyways, yeah, this video is gonna be for a forum that I forget the name of. I'm really sorry about that. But anyways, yeah, I just wanted to show, I guess this was where it all happened, but I just had some barrels laid out with boards on them, and you know, the bench grinder and this tray here. I still got that's one of the parts injectors that I used, and my old harness there. That one's not too bad. The other side's kind of worse, but there's some of the trays that I used, and laid all the injectors out in this tray and then put one of those lids on there. But there's the tools I got from I think it's truck rental or something on eBay. I got the O-ring kit. I still got a special tool that I never used, and I still got I still got the feeler gauges. I still got some shims left over and some ball bearings and stuff that there was plenty in the kit. And then this thing here, I don't know, I wouldn't have been able to do the job without that. And then this, I ended up not having to put this one back on because I had a parts injector, so I just used that. But yeah, I had my friend's vise right there, but I gotta give that back. I gotta give him back his vise right there and his hose, and then I gotta give my friend back his air compressor. But yeah, out of all the brake cleans there, there's a can in the truck. But out of all the brake cleaners, the best one was this certified one. They're kind of $6.99 a bottle, and I probably ended up using 16 bottles of that stuff and then blowing it off with air. But that was the stuff that left no residue, evaporated really quick. The oil and grease it just disappeared with that stuff. So but yeah, so it does run. I still need the ICP sensor. That thing you probably maybe can't see because it's pretty dark, but it's all soaked and wet with oil, and it needs to be replaced. It wouldn't start unless I unplugged it. So, and then still got no power, but the injectors I rebuilt appear to be working. I hope. I don't know. Sheesh. I don't know. I guess they must be doing something. But that map line, I just checked that. I cut the end off a bit, and because the other end was kind of worn or whatever, and so I cut that off and put it back on and tested it. It seals up and everything. So I'm not sure if that sensor's any good. I seen a good price on some sensors, and I can't afford OEM parts and stuff. It's just especially OEM parts, like the rubber sleeves for the fuel lines on the tank. I phoned the Ford dealer and I wanted to get those, and a couple rubber sleeves should be a couple bucks, $5, maybe $13, $12.95, and they're like $50-$60, and they had to order them in, and I was like, yeah, I could probably buy a whole used tank for that much. So that's why I can't afford OEM parts. I refuse. Even if I could afford them, I'm not gonna pay that much. Like, that's crazy. And so anyways, yeah, the oil's good. It's actually a little bit over full, but it's all right. It's not going up or down. It's actually still pretty clean. Oh, get oil on the camera. One-handed, boys. Can he do it? Oh, there we go. So, and then the radiator, oh, a little bit of hiss, that's not good. It just smells like coolant. It doesn't smell like diesel or anything like that. And so yeah, I gotta still tighten up the air cleaner hose and maybe do some more checking. I gotta get rid of these batteries. They're too big. The hood doesn't want to shut very easily because that one battery post, and that one, I got that one used from Pick Apart. You know, freaking the batteries were stone dead when I got it. But other than that, they're coming along. I just gotta, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this thing, even if I get it running. But it's growing in. I gotta do something. And so yeah, freaking. Anyways, I just thought I'd make a quick video, and maybe I'll see if it will start easy again. I wanted to make sure that glow plug relay was working, and it is. So let's see if it will start here. Can we rest the camera there? It's probably not gonna happen. That would be just too easy. Alright. Yeah, this, hopefully the ICP sensor fixes this issue where it's got no power and all that, but at least it runs. I mean, it does run. The injectors seem to be functioning, and so, I mean, hopefully that helps something. I mean, obviously it was leaking oil into the fuel bowl, so they had to be done, at least the O-rings, but anyways, I don't know, yeah, if anybody's got any advice or, you know, seen that symptom before or something, hopefully it's not the high pressure oil pump, but thanks for watching.